Welcome to our channel today. I'll walk you through the easy steps to verify your Payoneer account so you can start receiving payments without hassle. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Payoneer account is an essential step to ensure you can receive payments smoothly and securely. The process is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. First, log into your Payoneer account using your registered email and password once inside your account dashboard. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Verification Center. Here you will find the requirements needed to verify your identity and business details. If applicable, the most common verification documents include your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of address works as well, and can be a recent utility bill or bank statement not older than 3 months. Next, prepare electronic copies or clear photographs of these documents and upload them directly through the verification portal. Payoneer recommends high-quality images to avoid any delays due to unclear documents after uploading. Double-check all the information you entered to make sure your name on the documents matches exactly with the details on your Payoneer profile. To verify your bank details, you will need to link a bank account by entering the correct bank name, account number, and SWIFT code if required. This step is crucial to receive payments directly to your bank once all documents and information are submitted. Payoneer typically reviews the verification within a few business days. You will receive confirmation via email or notification on your account status if any document requires resubmission. The Verification Center will alert you to make the necessary adjustments. In summary, to verify your Payoneer account, log in and go to Settings. Upload the necessary identification and proof of address documents, provide accurate bank information, and wait for confirmation. This simple step ensures you can safely and efficiently receive payments worldwide. Don't forget to keep your account information up to date to avoid any interruptions in payment processing.